Meaning of dorm.
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 Dorm. Dorm is an abbreviation for dormitory, which refers to a shared living space typically found on college or university campuses. A dormitory usually consists of several small rooms, each housing one or two students, and communal areas such as a kitchen, bathroom, and lounge. Living in a dorm offers students a unique opportunity to form friendships, socialize, and immerse themselves in campus life. While dorms can be noisy and chaotic at times, they can also provide a sense of community and create lasting memories for their inhabitants.